Hi guys, in today's Photoshop tutorial, I will edit this awesome picture of this gentleman. I will smooth his face with the color mixer brush. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now I will select mixer brush tool from the brush panel, and here you can see my settings. Wet 26, load 75, mix 90, flow 100, 90, 90. Now I will zoom it a bit down, increase my brush size and start painting it like this. Don't try to overrule the edges part because edges are the most important when you are making a skin smoother. I'm going very slowly. It's a time taken process. You can see how softly I'm going. Now this is the part. Here I will not do so much, but you have to do a little bit here. Some here and here. Here comes the edges. So make sure edges are not removed because this will make problems for you. Make edges like this. Make edges prominent. Now comes this part. Decrease the brush size. Start painting. Stop when you think that the portion is done. Here comes the nose. Nose is somehow tricky because it has many colors on it. The blending will be difficult. Let's see what happens. This part of the nose should be very shady, but upper part should be bright. That's how it is. I am dragging from upset to give it a shadow, which will make it more look realistic. Now this portion, Now comes on to this portion. That is done. Now this part of the face. I am increasing the brush size. Now we will work on his neck. You see that I am not messing up with the texture of his neck. You can see I'm just blending bright, dark and mid tones. I think it's done. Let's see. Yes, it's done. Now you can see that it's looking very realistic and very beautiful because it's done very softly. Now we'll see before and after. This was before and this is after. Before, after. That's for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like to this video. See you in the next video. Bye.